So now we're going to work with actual samples. So I'm going to take my negative control, put it on the instrument, close that over, and you can see that I've chosen to label this negative, and we are going to adjust the voltage so that we can see our samples. So as you can see, we have a flow rate there, a very high flow rate. Well, that's moderately high. I'll switch it to medium and slow it down just a bit. So now I'm going to look at my cells of interest. Here are my cells in the forward scatter and side scatter plot. I'm going to go over to here, which is the control for the instrument, and I'm going to lower the forward scatter. Okay, slider bar. And I'm going to lower the side scatter. And as you can see, the beads have shifted from the position that was way up here to a position down here. And once we highlight the gate, we can choose these and move the corners in to make the gate smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to go over to this plot here. Here's the doublet discriminator gates. I'm going to move this here to focus on that, and I'm going to move the gate over to here, and I'm going to not hit the thing to cause it to, but I'm going to draw this over here. So there's forward scatter, doublets, and then as we move over here, this is the color parameters, and we only use the voltages on the color parameters. So then I'm going to go over to here, and I'm going to increase the voltage, and I'm going to bring out the PE as well and just raise the voltage. I'm going to lower this here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to move the quadrants, and once we do an experiment, we usually know the brightness of our fluorescence and our antibodies, so I'm going to lower the voltage just a bit. Okay, lower that just a bit. I'm going to take a look at the plot. That looks wonderful. So I'm going to move the gate down like this. I'm going to go down over to here, and I'm going to hit record and wait for a file to record so we can watch the file record 10,000 events. It has recorded 10,000 events, and then we're going to put on the next control.